No kids, no way around it. No practice today.
That stupid rain! Why?
Do something! We can't be stopped! We can't be stopped by a tiny bit of rain, right?
Wait! Every year is the same thing. Every year the roof leaks, and as a result, Maple calls off practice. Yeah, just like every year. That's right. But this time, we're gonna raise money to fix the roof! Ha!
We already tried that last year with calendars, but we only sold 5.
Aww. Well, maybe. But this year, we might find another idea.
We're gonna record an album!
Yay!
That's not a bad idea. We're gonna record the Hazelnut album. Not to brag, but I know a thing or two about music. All right, auditions in 5 minutes.
Yay!
Next.
I can't.
What's wrong, Daniel? Stage fright?
I can't sing in front of people. My voice, it's really bad.
No, it can't be that bad. Go on, sing something. Stop! Okay, it is that bad.
I told you so. I'm gonna ruin the album.
Don't worry, little buddy. I know what to do. I'll sing. You can lip sync.
Oh, yeah! How could I have forgotten that you're also a great singer? I even have your album.
Yep, they're collector's albums, you know. I only sold 5. I was too far ahead of my time, but that's about to change. A real artist can feel these things.
Whenever you're ready, Daniel.
Just a sec.
That was beautiful, Daniel. Beautiful. It's the miracle I've been waiting for so long. I wasn't always a football coach. There was a time when I sang to stop pollution, to stop us going to war. I was a rising star in world music. That was a long time ago. But your voice, Daniel, your voice is a gift from above. With it, we won't be just saving the gym. We'll be saving the world. Get ready, hazelnuts. Things are about to go platinum. And that's a wrap. Great work, hazelnuts.
But we didn't even sing.
Our turn now, Daniel. Time is money and we don't have any. Stop. Great job, Daniel. It's really moving, but you're lagging just a bit.
Oh, sorry.
Lagging? It's his music that's ahead.
No biggie. Let's take it from the top. And go, Daniel! Stop! You're really not far off, but I think you can do better.
Hey! Who does he think he is, Mozart? No one tells Platana to sing! No one.
Erico, wait! Take 5? Calm down, Erico. Maple is demanding, but it's for the sake of the album.
I'm a high-performance sports car, okay? When you lift the hood, you wear gloves.
You know, I get it if you're afraid to fail.
Fail? In your dreams. Come on, let's go back in there.
in B flat there, Daniel. I need you to give it 200%.
What? I will show you 200%!
Stop! That's the one. Now I know it, Daniel. Your voice is the real thing. Let me tell you a story. After my first album, which went triple platinum, I went off in search of a new sound. I was looking for the note of pure love. Mother Nature's heartfelt call. It was in that forgotten monastery that I found it. The Forbidden Octave.
Forbidden octave.
I used the score from my album. I thought I was good enough to sing it, but I was wrong. I failed, Daniel. But you can do it. I truly believe you can reach the Forbidden Octave and change the world.
Finally, a challenge worthy of me!
Take 5! Maple's lost it! We have to stop this before it goes too far! There's gotta be some kind of reason it's called the Forbidden Octave!
Oh, you're right, Daniel.
Phew.
My destiny is to be the greatest footballer and the greatest singer.
That's not what I said at all!
Thanks, Daniel. I believe in me, too.
Don't do it, Erico! Look! The notes on this scroll form the shape of a skull!
Look, it's smiling at me.
Okay, Daniel, you ready?
Ready.
Maple, I don't know if I can reach the Forbidden Octave.
No pressure, Daniel. It's just the future of humanity, after all. Okay, here we go.
Mr. Monks, please make sure that Erico doesn't hurt himself singing.
Now! Yes! We're almost there! The Forbidden
I'm sorry, Erico, but I had to stop you.
What? My ears are still ringing. I can't hear. Oh, let me guess. You're apologizing for ruining my album with your terrible voice.
We heard your call, my child. Oh, dang it. We're too late. You, Butt-Chin, you stole our sacred song for your own glory.
It's true. Wrapped up in my pride, I forgot the true meaning of music. I put you through unreasonable risk, Daniel.
What have I become? I should have listened to you, Daniel.
I'm sorry, Daniel!
Please, take this. It belongs to you, Mr. Monks.
You are wise beyond your years, duck-voiced child. Forbidden octave.
No, kids, no way around it. I have to apologize. It's all my fault that the album flopped.
Wait! It's true that our CD is lame, but it must be good for something.
Great idea, Daniel!
It doesn't look like you'll be making a singing comeback, Erico.
Don't worry, Daniel. I learned something much more important today. That my first album was already perfect!
This case is really bugging me, Constable Bumble.
No use getting a bee in your bonnet, my dear earwig.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, sweetie. Daniel, I asked you to vacuum the apartment.
Oh, yeah, I got it out, but then I got caught up pretending it was an elephant.
Never mind. Brush your teeth, go to the bathroom, and then straight to bed, okay? Mom needs to rest her eyes for 5 minutes.
Elementary, my dear earwig. The culprit was...
Hey! They were about to reveal who did it! I bet it was Mrs. Ladybug.
Shh. Mom is really tired when she gets home from work.
Tired? Tired? From playing squirrel all day? Sorry, but that's not what I call a real job.
Hey, I'll have you know Mom works really hard. And she also does the laundry, the shopping, the cleaning.
Try being a world champion. Now that's a lot of work. Taking care of your skin, keeping your agent in line, taking selfies. You have no idea.
You wouldn't last 2 hours in Mom's shoes.
Oh, yeah. Get up, Daniel.
Erico, it's 5 in the morning. Mom will be waking up soon.
Not today, Daniel. Not today.
You unplugged her alarm?
Shh. Today, you and I are going to play squirrel.
What? But that's Mom's job. We can't do that.
If your mom can do it, how hard can it be?
Hey!
What?
Vacation. Cruise ship in the tropics. All inclusive.
Well, maybe Mom could use a little time off. Okay then, Erico. But we've got to nail this. No way are we gonna get Mom in any trouble.
Don't worry. By day's end, everyone's gonna respect Mr. Squirrel.
Come try some delicious chocolate cocoa squares. A balanced breakfast with vitamins B12, B14, and B17.
Hey, what kind of hellhole is this?
It's Mom's job. We need to sell all of these boxes of cereal, Erico.
People pay to eat this?
Yes, Erico. Because the secret to a balanced breakfast is delicious chocolate cocoa squares.
Hey, this ain't so bad.
Erico, what are you doing?
You're right. What am I doing? This would taste a lot better with some milk.
We're supposed to sell them, not eat them.
I'm just having one last bowl. Hang on. They have toys inside?
Yeah, but it's not for you, Erico. It's for the kids.
Mosquito claw again? Man, it's clown tooth that I need. Hey, pass me another box there, Daniel.
That was the last one, Erico. You've cleared the entire shelf. There are none left.
Clown tooth.
Don't do it. That's stealing.
A mosquito claw again? And boom. We get to go home early. Who's the man now?
We got fired, Erico.
No, we didn't. We quit.
Okay, whatever. Hurry up, Erico. We can't be late for Mom's second job.
Yeah! Or what?
An all-you-can-eat seafood buffet for free. You're the host with the most, Captain. Oh, Captain.
Hammers, wrenches, nails. Don't miss our half-price sale.
Daniel, remind me, what are we doing here again?
It's Mom's second job. You have to point the arrow towards the hardware store to attract customers.
rocks mics till they bust and swell, Joe? It's just another fact of life for me, really. All around town, people trying to get down.
Whoa! I love these guys. I don't know what they're selling, but I'll buy it pronto.
Wow! They're good!
Finally, a real challenge. Hang in there, Daniel. I'll show you how to dance with an arrow. Okay, plan B. We get rid of the competition.
But they're just doing their job.
Boo! You call that dancing? What's up, you big chicken? You wanna dance? Come on, then. Come on!
Erico, no! Don't start trouble!
What are you scared of? Of a big owl? And a weasel?
Who rocks mics till they bust and swell, Joe?
Did you see the thrashing we gave them?
Erico, they kicked our butts, and we got fired!
Yeah, well, frankly, your mom should thank us. Arrow twirler. What's up with that?
I hope things go better at the next job.
Wait, there's a next job?
Oh, Captain, you're terrible.
Look out! Iceberg dead ahead!
Iceberg. Iceberg.
Happy birthday! Party!
There, it's a snake.
I wanted a tiger.
Okay, who's next?
I want a dinosaur. I want a pony.
And here's a triangle. Okay, another snake. Snakes for everyone!
Aww. Erico, at least make an effort. They don't seem very happy.
Ah, don't worry. We'll redeem ourselves with the cake. Hurry up, Daniel. We haven't got all day.
We need to do a good job. It's Timmy's birthday.
Yeah, well, Timmy will have other birthdays. And I'm tired.
Happy birthday to you. Ah! Do you smell something burning? It's all right, everybody. Ah!
Okay, so playing squirrel's not so easy.
We got fired again, and Mom's costume is ruined.
Yeah, am I glad this day is finally over?
Are you kidding? We still need to go cheer on the hockey team, sell tickets at the theme park, walk dogs, prune trees, clean the sewers, and drive this bus.
And careful with the paint job.
Fired!
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 Fired! It's just you and me now, Christelle. If we want to get out of here, we gotta stick together. We'll need to find food.
I can't feel my legs.
Mom lost all of her jobs because of us.
Empty? No clean clothes? And nobody vacuumed?
I told you, Erico. On top of her work, Mom also does the shopping, the cleaning, and the washing.
You mean she does all that by herself every day? Your mother is a saint, Daniel. And now she's gonna wake up to a filthy apartment. With no costume. And no job. Nah, I'm sure she'll manage. We gotta make this right, huh?
Sorry, Christelle. I was just too thirsty.
Oh, we did it, Daniel. We finally did it.
Yeah, but there's still the shopping, the cleaning, and the laundry. Okay, 5-minute break and then we'll go make breakfast.
Okay.
I slept so well. Oh no! I slept so well! Oh, it's okay. I'm not late. Wow! Thank you for doing the vacuuming, sweetie.
Daniel Sissou shoots, and he scores.
A nice jacuzzi. Does it come gold-plated?
You know, Daniel, if you don't like that cereal, we can buy any other one.
But, Mom, these are Erico Pops. Erico Platana cereal.
Erico Plata who?
Erico Platana, the greatest footballer in the world. There's a contest, too. If you find a golden ticket in your cereal, you win a whole day together with Erico. Can you imagine?
Does the golden ticket look like a ticket?
Yeah.
A ticket that's like gold-colored?
Yeah. Wow! The golden ticket! This is the best day of my life! I can't wait to meet him. I hear he's the nicest person ever.
What's up with this contest thing? Steven! Way too much pulp in this orange juice! I've got better things to do than waste time with fans.
Your image needs a serious makeover, Erico. You're a great player, but off the field, people think you're spoiled and obnoxious.
Me? Steven, am I spoiled and obnoxious? Fine, I'll do it. But for 5 minutes, tops. Steven, now there isn't any pulp anymore! Seriously!
Have you got your golden ticket?
Have fun, honey.
Don't stare at his chin and wait your turn to talk.
Excuse me, I didn't see you there.
No harm done.
Erico, this is
Daniel Sissou.
the winner of the golden ticket contest. Think of your image.
I'm Daniel. Wait, I just said that. And I'm your biggest fan, and I think you're the best player in the world, and I'm really, really, really excited to spend the whole day with you, cuz...
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold your horses there, Lionel.
It's Daniel.
Yeah. We're taking one selfie and then you're getting out of here.
But I thought we might have a kick around together. Maybe get an ice cream, and then you can sign my jersey.
One selfie.
But...
One selfie.
Okay, Erico.
Excuse me, that's Mr. Platana to you.
Have you got your golden ticket?
Wow. Okay, so who are you?
Me? I'm your biggest fan.
Okay. Security. Security.
Security! Security!
Get in here! There's a weirdo in here! And he's getting weirder by the minute!
That's not nice to say to the kid. He's sitting right here.
I think he's talking about you.
Oh! Ah! Whoa! Hold it, Gandalf. Do you know who I am?
You might want to stand back there, little guy. Erico Platana, I curse thee! Thou shalt remain a football until such time as thou turnest this boy into a champion!
Are you okay, Erico? I mean, Mr. Platana?
Did you have fun, honey?
Yeah, it was nice.
Aw, he even gave you a football. So it's true that he's a real nice guy.
Whoa, what a nightmare.
Are you awake, Mr. Platana?
Ah! Where are we?
Welcome to my room!
No. No. Oh, hey, handsome. No! I'm in a nightmare. What am I doing here?
This way, it'll be easier for you to train me. I made a room for your things, and you can sleep in my drawer.
Stop smiling. Hello, Tanya? Yeah, listen here. Something terrible has happened to me, okay? I need you to find a wizard ASAP. Huh? I don't know, a magician, an exorcist, a shaman, Hello? Hello? Ah, she hung up on me.
If you're hungry, I have boxes of Erico Pops, or we could play a game, or do some drawing, or break out the modeling clay.
Okay, Platana, don't panic. All I have to do is make this kid into a champion footballer. How hard could it be? I'm the best player in the world. So, do you play football, at least?
Do I play football?
I'll never get my body back. Come on, Platana, get a hold of yourself. A good team can fix anything. Do you have a good team, at least?
Do I have a good team? That's Steven, his son, Steven Jr.
Dad, you're embarrassing.
There's Tamea and Larry. Ribbit, ribbit. 300 frog species go extinct every year. And that's Maya.
I can't work with this. No. Platana never gives up. A good coach can work miracles.
And that's our coach. His name is Maple.
Okay, hazelnuts. Who's ready for some tribal drumming?
Ribbit. That was a really great practice.
Seriously? You spent the whole time napping or playing the bongos.
No, that's not true. We also put on a puppet show after the pancake workshop.
But that's not football! Oh, I'm gonna be a ball for the rest of my life.
Mr. Platana, I know you're sad and you don't think much of my apartment or my team. But like my idol always says, if you believe in yourself, victory is just one kick away. And my idol is you, Mr. Platana. So count on me to give it my all.
Okay, kid, go get your gear. Training starts now.
Thanks, Mr. Platana. You won't regret it. Mr. Platana? For Lionel? Sorry, kid. Goodbyes were never my strong suit. Platana.
That Nathaniel is right. Platana never gives up. I'm gonna get my life back starting now.
The disappearance of Erico Platana is a tragedy, but a protracted search and rescue takes time. And time is money. So I've decided to take over as chairperson. Great. Next item. For the new and improved Erico Pops, we've completely rethought the packaging.
Tanya! It's me, Erico!
Hello, police.
What are your thoughts about the disappearance of Erico Platana?
Erico who?
I don't really watch football.
Is this for TV? It's a huge loss for the sport. Huge! And so it's with a heavy heart that I confirm that I've signed a contract with his team to replace him, wearing his number. Huge loss.
I'm entitled to a phone call!
It's okay to cry. I do it all the time.
Hey, you! You got a visitor.
Raphael, what are you doing here?
It's Daniel! I came to get you out of here, Mr. Platana. I made a deal with the guards. It's true, he's made mistakes. But as my idol always says, if the ref didn't see it, is it really a foul?
But why would you do that for me? I lied to you. I abandoned you. And I still don't know your name. It's Lionel, right?
Daniel! I know I'm not perfect. And maybe you aren't either. But together, we can be better. I mean, if you're willing to give it a shot.
I'm warning you. I'll need a bigger drawer. You can forget about Erico Pops and you'd better work your butt off in training.
Okay! Where do we start, Mr. Platana?
You can start by calling me Erico Daniel. Well, not Erico Daniel, just Erico.